The Espresso Display is the ultimate portable monitor for dual-screen productivity on the go. Perfect for today's hybrid workers, this ultra-thin 5.3mm touchscreen monitor enhances workflow by allowing users to draw, navigate, and mark up documents directly. Compatible with both Mac and Windows, it can transform into an interactive tool with the optional Espresso pen and Flow software, allowing for digital note-taking, feedback, and sketching. Weighing just 865 grams, it's easy to bring along, and its durable aluminum frame ensures it's protected in transit. The Espresso Display can connect to laptops, desktops, and even phones, providing a truly portable productivity solution. Introducing the Lanestar X4 Backpack, a versatile, climate-controlled backpack designed for those who value both functionality and comfort. With advanced heating and cooling modules, the Lanestar X4 allows users to adjust internal temperatures up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit with a simple knob conveniently located on the straps. Built to withstand various environments, the backpack also comes equipped with a rechargeable battery that powers USB ports for charging mobile devices on the go. Constructed with multiple compartments and a padded sleeve that accommodates a 15-inch MacBook Pro, it's the perfect fit for tech enthusiasts, students, and travelers looking to balance utility with style. Meet the Zeus-X Go Ultra, the ultimate all-in-one cable solution engineered to simplify charging and data transfer. Forget about juggling different cables for different devices. Whether you need USB-C for a MacBook, Lightning for an iPhone, or micro USB for a Kindle, Zeus-X Go Ultra has you covered. This 6-in-1 keychain cable offers ultra-fast charging and high-speed data transfer in a compact, sleek design that fits perfectly in a pocket or attaches to a keychain. For those seeking advanced grooming solutions, the Mangroomer Intellimax Pro is an exceptional electric body groomer that adapts to different grooming needs. Its Intellimax technology automatically adjusts the power based on hair thickness, providing an efficient, irritation-free shave every time. With an ergonomic handle for easy maneuvering, waterproof construction for shower use, and adjustable length settings for personalized trimming, this groomer combines convenience with precision. Backed by a long-lasting battery, the Intellimax Pro is designed to provide a comfortable, hassle-free grooming experience for today's modern man. The Tile Planter DIY Kit offers a creative and eco-friendly project that transforms ordinary ceramic tiles into a chic planter. Perfect for all skill levels, this kit requires 5 identical tiles, silicone cork, and mesh reinforcement. Users build the planter by connecting 4 tiles flat and tilting them into a sturdy box shape. The planter can be waterproofed or left with drainage depending on your gardening needs. Great for indoor and outdoor spaces, this DIY project is a stylish, customizable addition to any decor while promoting upcycling and sustainability. The Sense 3 wireless charger is the ultimate solution for those seeking a reliable and effortless way to charge multiple devices. With support for Apple, Qi-certified and Android devices, including phones, smartwatches, and earbuds, Sense 3 lets users place devices on its surface without worrying about precise alignment. It recharges itself while wirelessly charging your devices, ensuring that your gadgets stay powered up. This charger's no-look design simplifies charging for busy individuals who want to avoid the hassle of finding the perfect angle for each device. The Morphy Duckless portable air conditioner brings a modern twist to personal cooling. Featuring advanced Cooling Max technology, it's the world's first ductless design, eliminating the need for traditional ductwork and allowing effective cooling up to 2 meters away. With dual-layer oscillation for 360-degree air distribution and smartphone control for convenient adjustments, this eco-friendly air conditioner is highly efficient. Perfect for users seeking flexible climate control in small spaces, it blends modern design with powerful, eco-conscious performance. The Masterforge keyboard by Karacorder is designed to transform typing speed and comfort. This cutting-edge chord keyboard allows users to type individual characters or whole words with a single keystroke, potentially reaching speeds over 300 words per minute. Ideal for programmers, gamers, and content creators, its customizable aluminum exoskeleton supports additional attachments for a tailored experience. Available for pre-order on Kickstarter at $359, The Master Forge combines ergonomic comfort with innovative technology, creating a highly efficient typing tool expected to ship by December 2024. The Iris Moveable solar panel system offers a flexible approach to solar energy capture, making clean energy more accessible. Designed for easy transportation and setup, Iris panels are lightweight and modular, allowing users to configure them according to their space and energy needs. With adjustable positioning for optimal sunlight exposure throughout the day, this system maximizes energy efficiency, making it an excellent choice for homeowners, campers, and emergency responders. The Iris system promotes sustainable energy usage with minimal setup effort, providing a green power solution wherever it's needed. The Kwumsy K3 is a groundbreaking foldable screen keyboard that redefines productivity. Combining an 82-key detachable mechanical keyboard, a built-in M2 solid-state expansion box, and a multifunctional hub interface, the K3 offers expanded workspace with dual-screen functionality. The 13-inch touchscreen, adjustable from 0 to 90 degrees, provides an immersive visual experience with unlimited angles. Constructed with durable materials, the K3 is designed for adaptability, supporting use with devices like mini PCs, Raspberry Pi, and gaming consoles. Lightweight and versatile, it's perfect for professionals seeking a flexible, multifunctional workstation. The Urevo Cyberpad Treadmill is a fitness-focused solution designed for compact spaces. Launched on Kickstarter in September 2024, this treadmill offers customizable LED lighting and speeds of up to 4 miles per hour, with a 14% incline for varied workouts. The Hive-Tech shock absorption system minimizes joint impact, ensuring a comfortable exercise experience. With pre-orders starting at $349 and an expected December 2024 delivery, the Cyberpad encourages users to incorporate fitness into their daily routine, even in small living spaces. The Sonicwave buds, also known as Sound Peets Sonic Wireless Earbuds, are crafted for music lovers and bass enthusiasts. Offering 15 hours of playtime per charge and up to 35 hours with the charging case, these earbuds feature a Qualcomm QCC3040 chipset for enhanced bass and clear audio. They come with an IPX5 water resistance rating, making them ideal for workouts. With Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity and a dedicated game mode for minimal audio lag, Sonicwave buds deliver high-quality sound and reliable performance, providing a robust listening experience for users on the go. The Julu Dumbbells bring innovation to home fitness with an adjustable weight system. Users can effortlessly switch between weights from 6 pounds to 36 pounds via a digital interface. Real-time data tracking and a secure locking mechanism ensure a safe, customizable workout experience. Designed with eco-friendly materials, these dumbbells offer a compact and portable solution for strength training at home. Starting at $239 for pre-order, Julu Dumbbells cater to fitness enthusiasts seeking a versatile, space-saving alternative. Lunar Computer is an online platform dedicated to tech enthusiasts and professionals with a focus on home labbing, gaming, and custom computing solutions. Featuring tutorials, reviews, and guides for building advanced setups, it fosters a community of hands-on learners and creators. Lunar Computer recently launched the Mini Proker, a compact desktop powered by a Ryzen 9 processor, available on Kickstarter. With its emphasis on interactivity, Lunar Computer is an ideal resource for those looking to deepen their understanding of cutting-edge tech.